Hello students, in this video we'll begin our chapter 5. The name of the chapter is Water, our basic need. We know that all living things need water. You all know we need water to live. Water is also essential for us like food. We need water for activities like bathing, cooking, washing, cleaning, brushing, etc. Why do we need water? We need water for many activities. Activities like bathing, cooking, washing, cleaning, brushing, etc. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. Why do animals need water? They need water for drinking and bathing. Plants need water to grow, and plants need water to grow. When plants get water, they grow. There are many more activities for which we need water. They are There are many more activities for which water is essential. Water helps to digest the food we eat. Water also helps us to digest the food which we eat. It also helps in flushing out the undigested food from our body. It also helps in flushing out, means taking out all the undigested food from our body. Water also helps us to take in flushing out all the undigested food which is not digested. It helps us in flushing out, taking out all those food from our body. Many plants grow in water. So many plants grow in water. Many animals live in water. Many animals live in water, means water is shelter for them. They live in water like fish, octopus. They live in water. Plants need water to make their food, and plants need water to make their food. And when they make their food, they have their food, they grow. Where do we get water from? We get water from many sources. From where do we get water? There are many sources from which we get water. These sources can be natural sources or man-made sources. There are two sources from which we get water. Two types of sources from which we get water. First, natural sources. Second, man-made sources. What are natural sources? Natural sources are sources which are given us by nature. Those sources are given us by nature. And man-made sources, those sources which are built or made by man. Sources of water which are built or made by man. Some natural sources of water are rainwater, waterfall, river, stream, lake, pond. Rainwater, waterfall, river, stream, lake and pond, they are natural sources of water. Some man-made sources of water are tap, hand pump, tube well, tank and dam. And some sources which are made by man or they are man-made sources, they are tap, hand pump, tube well, tank and dam. These sources are man-made sources from which we get water. Sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. You all know we get water from rain. So rain is the main source of water. The other sources of water is the snow on the mountains. One of the source of water is snow from the mountains. The snow melts during the summers and changes into water. During summer, snow melts, and when it melts it changes into water, so it is also a source of water. Thus the lakes, river, ponds and streams get filled up. So when water which melts mixes with lakes, river, ponds and streams, they get filled up. Some amount of water seeps into the soil and is stored there. Some amount of water is sieved by soil and water is stored there. This is called underground water. This water is called underground water. We dig wells and tube wells to take out this water. And to take out this water which is sieved by soil, we use well and tube well, or we dig well and tube well. Presence of water in food. Water is also present in the food we eat. Now, in which food water is present? Water is also present in food we eat. Some fruits like watermelon, melon and oranges contain water. Some fruits like watermelon, melon, oranges, they contain water. Some vegetables like spinach also contain water. Spinach also contains water. Milk also contains water. Milk also contains water. Water is present naturally in these food items, and therefore food is good for health. Water is present naturally in these foods items, and therefore such food items is good for health. Okay. Water is present in these food items naturally, so they are very good for our health. Do you eat these fruits in summer? How do you feel? Now you have to tell me, do you eat these fruits in summer? And when you eat these fruits, how do you feel? That's all for today. We'll continue this chapter in our next video. Till then, good day.